Let's do today's Minute Cryptic. Today our clue reads, animal from farmyard, headless chicken. And we're looking for a 6-lettered word. Animal from farmyard, headless chicken. So I think, again, I'm on a bit of a streak. I think this is a clue that I've got in the minute. And it feels like a fairly easy clue. But I think it can be difficult if you don't know what your definition is. Because in this clue, the definition can be animal. You might be looking for an animal that has 6 letters. But we can also be looking for another word for chicken. And once you kind of decide where you're going or which definition you're going to be using, I think this is a really easy clue to solve. The one thing we know for sure is that headless is one of our indicators, or is our indicator here. Headless implies a removal indicator. We're going to remove the head, the first letter of our fodder. And the way to find what the definition is because we have one word to the right, technically the fodder can be chicken. But if this was chicken, then we'd remove the C and get this as our answer, hicken, which doesn't really seem like an animal at all, or an animal from farmyard. So that kind of helps us realize that chicken is not our fodder. It's actually our definition for this clue. And therefore we have these 4 other words to play around with. If headless, we're not removing the head of chicken, we're removing the head of yard, the neighbouring fodder. And that gives us ARD. We're removing the Y. So I'll just pop those letters here. Then we need 3 more letters. And just thinking, animal from farm, I think, of course, we're going to be substituting this for another word. A 3-lettered word, or 3-lettered word, yeah, exactly. There's not many I can think of. I can think of cat, fox, and cow. And of course, our answer today is coward, which we can actually get from our definition. Headless chicken, if you are being a headless chicken, you're kind of doing things frantically or running around aimlessly, for example. And chicken itself, to chicken out, would be to be a coward, to run away from something, which is our definition today. Let's have a look. So hopefully that kind of made sense. I think that was quite easy to get as quickly, especially animal from farm. Why would you suggest that? You would only suggest that if you need to substitute it, right? So let's save this and pop our word in, I should say, and we are correct. Let me know how you guys got along today.